up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel for a Read with Anna Fall 2018 Bible Reading Plan informational video. I'm so excited that we are going to read through the Old Testament together. If you did the Summer 2018 Read with Anna Bible Reading Plan, that's a mouthful. We just wrapped up reading through the New Testament, and my knowledge of God and of His Word grew so much this summer. I truly feel like my biblical knowledge increased drastically as a result of reading at a really fast pace. So I want to give you some information on this plan. One, we kick off in about a week on Monday, September 3rd. I will put the plan over here on the screen so you guys can either pause the video or screenshot. You can check out Twitter, or if you're a patron, I will have a printable version of the plan over on Patreon. I always link that over here at the end of the video. My little patron, it's like a square, you can click it, head over to Patreon. But anyway, I'm getting off track. So the plan's over here, and then you can listen to me talk. So we're kicking off next Monday. We are reading only Monday through Friday. If you've done the plans with me before, I've been doing these since January of 2017, really consistently. We read Monday through Friday, and then we take weekends off. Why do we do that? Because one, we read at a fast pace usually. Sometimes we'll read at a slower pace depending on the plan, but frequently I choose to design the plan so that we are reading at a fast pace, and I'm gonna do a video all about why I choose to do that coming up soon for you guys. But anyway, so we take weekends off so that we can rest. Sometimes you just need to read like a novel and not like be focused on really like developing your biblical knowledge, or sometimes you need to free read. Sometimes the Lord is going to lay something on your heart to be studying in the Bible that doesn't have to do with the Bible reading plan that you're focused on, and sometimes you need to catch up. I definitely have had to do that before. Sometimes you just get to a place where you're like, I'm behind. I didn't get the reading done on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and I need to go ahead and take Saturday and Sunday to read the chapters I'm behind on. So I want to be practical for you guys. I want this to be achievable. If you feel overwhelmed at the thought of reading at a fast pace, one, maybe this isn't the plan for you, and that's totally fine. You can still glean a lot of knowledge and insight from just watching the Read with Anna Bible Reading Plan videos and reading at a slower pace. A lot of you who I love you guys so much. Cheyenne, so many of you guys have expressed to me that sometimes you start the plan and you just end up reading at a slower pace. That's totally fine. You're still reading with Anna and with the rest of us in this Bible Reading Plan community. So don't stress about that. This is a school year plan. So what do I mean by that? This is the first time I've ever done this. It's gonna start, like I said, Monday, September 3rd, and it's not gonna finish until May. But we are only reading from September 3rd until the day before Thanksgiving, Wednesday, and then we're taking from Thanksgiving until New Year's, we're taking it off. Why? I'm doing that because I have a core value that it's important to, one, take time to rest, two, like spend time with family. Like this, like I said, is a fast-paced Bible reading plan. We're reading between 4 and 6 chapters a day typically, and if you're trying to achieve that during the holiday season, you're probably getting stressed out and either falling behind on the Bible reading or on the time with your family. And God designed your family, and He designed you to like fellowship together, to love one another, to be there for one another. So take some time from Thanksgiving through New Year's to be with family. You still should be reading your Bible, but just pick like a slower pace to read at. So anyway, I'm so excited about that. Also, side note, I am going to be doing a slower paced Bible reading plan called Begin with Anna starting in January, and I'll have 2 plans going at once, but it'll be for those of you who want to read like at a slower pace and just have some more discipleship. So let's see, I've given you what we're reading, when we're reading it. It's gonna end, the plan is going to end at the end of May, and then we'll do another summer plan. I've given you, I think, all the information you really need. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments below. One, if you're gonna do the plan, let me know so I can pray for you guys. I do that every single time. And then also let me know which translation or version of the Bible you're gonna be reading from. I'm reading from the Christian Standard Bible. This is the She Reads Truth Bible that I unboxed on my channel about a month ago. I'll link it in one of these cards above and in the description box below if you want to check that out. Yeah, so I'd love to know what translation. If you're reading from a She Reads Truth Bible, let me know. That would be kind of cool to know as well. So anyway, I think that's everything. Just leave in the comments below if you have any questions as well, and I'll try to get back to you guys as quickly as possible. And make sure to follow me over on Twitter for the daily kind of like, you know, I'll tweet out every single morning around 5 a.m. the reading for the day, and just kind of to get you guys excited and inspired. And we talk with one another over on Twitter, so it really is a Bible reading plan Plan community. And yeah, I think that's about it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon. All right, talk to you then. Bye.